I fell in love with Tasmania quite a while ago. We're very lucky to live in the beautiful Lachlan Valley as part of the Derwent Valley of Tasmania, and the thing that attracted me to this place is just its beauty. I am of the great belief that people feel your energy that you put into a project, so both Séverine and I put our heart and soul into the Agrarian Kitchen and we've built it up from nothing. The Agrarian Kitchen was based on my own desire to get back to using ingredients as close to the origin as possible. The cook's only as good as the ingredients they're using. I've always been passionate about pigs, and pork's probably my favourite meat. I think naivety is always a positive thing when you go into something like this, and yeah, I reckon I've gone the whole hog. What I want to bring to them is flavour. So they get to pull carrots from the ground that actually smell like carrots. They get to eat meat that has been raised with every care taken on that animal, which ends up to be far tastier. They get to cook with fire. They get to just have a true agrarian experience from the earth to the plate. My name is Rodney Dunn, owner of the Agrarian Kitchen, Australia's first paddock-to-plate cooking school.